think I can tell when my friend is having a meltdown. Wherever you are, you need to come back quick because this weekend is not going to be a walk in the park.
No signal.
It's not easy to leave the comfort of your lives behind.
Yes, I will face my trauma, or whatever.
Let's show the past who's in charge.
I don't think I want to do this. Something is going on. Breathe, what's the matter? It feels like something is watching us.
Does it scare you?
This is not what I signed up for. Who did you see? It was this thing. It's like just being here does something to us. We all had the same nightmares.
I'm sure there's another explanation. People have been coming here for thousands of years. They believed there was a powerful spirit here. There's no coming to consciousness without pain and discomfort.